you say a prayer for me? Jesse's back in town, it won't be easy. Don't let him near me, don't let him touch me, don't let him tease me. Jesse, I won't cut fresh flowers for you, no, Jesse. And I won't make the wine cold for you, no, Jesse. I won't change the sheets for you. I won't put on cologne, I won't sit by the phone for you. Annie, keep reminding me that he cut out my heart like a paper doll. Sally, tell me once again how he set me up just to see me fall. Jesse, I won't cut fresh flowers for you, no, Jesse. I won't make the wine cold for you, no, Jesse. I won't change the sheets for you. I won't put on cologne, I won't sit by the phone for you. No, 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 Jesse. Quick, come here. I won't tell a soul, not even myself, Jesse, that you've come back to me. My friends will all say she's gone again, but how can anyone know what